Right. Good evening, everyone. What is that last concept? Mm-hmm. The string responsibilities. Okay. Online students, is it the screen is visible? All the online students, could you please respond in the chat window? All the online students, could you please respond in the chat window? Okay. Right. Let's take care about in completing or in understanding this particular aspect of testing responsibilities. I mean, we need to begin taking care about in understanding how exactly we can take care about this particular different job roles of tester. I mean, first we got understand that why exactly the testing has been required, and after that we need to begin take care about in understanding that particular aspect of testing roles and responsibilities. So, as part of testing roles and responsibilities, we need to begin to understand that how exactly the testing career will be done. Like how we need to start the career as a tester and what are all that particular levels of activities need to be done. That is what we need to begin taking care about each and every particular level. So in that, the one we need to begin take care about considering the software test engineer. So the main job role need to be get considered or need to be get understood how exactly we can take care about this particular software test engineer job role or software tester. As part of tester, the very first understanding need to be get mentioned that taking care about an understanding with requirements. We need to be get take care about in understanding the requirements. That is what the very first activity. If we want to be get take care about to get this any kind of project, first we need to be get take care about in understanding requirements. Once we got understand the requirements, need to be get take care about in preparing with test scenarios. That particular test scenarios, for now, we need to be get mentioned that first level of documentation. For now, we are understanding that that particular test scenarios are nothing but first level of documentation. And then we need to be get take care about that particular aspect too. And next activity, considering the test cases. That particular test cases, we need to be get mentioned that second level of documentation. The test scenarios, first level of documentation, test cases, second level of documentation. And then once that particular test cases are ready, need to be get take care about in executing that particular respective test cases here. So as simple, the main thing first we have to take care about in understanding requirements. After that, taking care about the scenarios and then taking care about test cases. After that, need to be get continued in executing that particular test cases. While executing that particular test cases, we need to be get coming up with how many test cases has been passed and how many test cases has been failed. In case of pass, we are not worried, but in case of fail, we need to be get take care about in doing bug reporting. It's not like just taking care about doing the bug reporting or defect reporting. Need to be get take care about bug reporting and then tracking and then retesting. So as a tester, we need to be get understand it, taking care about in finding that particular respective bugs. We need to be get take care about in executing the test cases. While executing the test cases, we need to be get take care about how many test cases has been passed and how many test cases has been failed. In case of pass, we are not worried, but in case of fail, we need to be get take care about in doing that particular bug reporting, or we will be taking with defect reporting. So along with particular bug reporting, we have to take care about tracking and then taking care about retesting that particular bugs also. And then need to be get take care about in involving doing different type of testings here. As a tester or test engineer, we have to take care about in doing or in involving different types of testing. Along with that, need to be get take care about in preparing with different type of status reports. Because of tester, we need to be get take care about in preparing with different type of status reports here, and need to be get take care about in involving different type of meetings. Along with that, need to be get take care about automation testing. As we are clearly saying from the day one, as a tester or as a test engineer in this current market, only manual testing, only manual testing is not at all enough. At the same time, only automation testing is not at all enough. So if I'm taking with manual testing is important, at the same time, automation testing also very most important. Both the things has been required, both the things has been very most important as part of the tester. Because of that, whenever you are taking the practice or while taking the learning, don't be targeted like only manual or only automation. You need to be get comfortable taking care about manual and automation. You need to be get take care about in getting comfortable with both the things here. In the same way, we need to be get take care about once we got promoted into next level, which you will be considering the senior tester. One you will be taking with test engineer and one you will be taking with senior test engineer. So need to be get take care about test engineer and then taking care about senior test engineer. So as a senior test engineer, need to be get take care about working with all the activities. You need to be get take care about all the activities of test engineer. Along with that, along with that, need to be get take care about an extra activity that will be taking with reviews. Because of senior tester, because of the senior tester need to be get take care about in involving taking with the reviews that particular scenarios or taking the test cases and even considering that particular bug review also as part of that project need to be get take care about in doing different type of reviews. In the same way, need to be get take care about in giving some inputs. Senior tester will never take care about. Senior tester will never take care about in preparing with test plan here. So just because of the senior tester need to be get provide some inputs just need to be get provide some inputs related to that particular respective test plan here. Along with that, these particular senior tester need to be get take care about. These particular senior tester need to be get take care about in doing involving with working as a backup, need to be get work as a backup for that particular respective test lead here. This is what need to be get take care about, considering the software test engineer and then taking with senior tester. Along with that, once he got work as senior tester, need to be get take care about promoted into next level. What is the next level? What is it? Test lead. Need to be get take care about promoted into next level that you will be taking with test lead. When you consider the test lead, the main job role, the main job role of test lead need to be get mentioned. The main job role of the test lead taking care about test plan activity. The main job role of test lead considering the taking care about test plan activity and then team handling. Team handling and taking with test plan. These two are the main job role of the test lead. That is what it has been divided with the different points here. So in that, which it has been mentioned, task preparation and allocation of team members. Because of the test lead, he has to take care about what exactly the work need to be done by each and every team member. So each and every team member, what exactly their particular work need to be done. So that he will be taking care about, considering that the test lead need to be get. That particular test lead need to be get take care about in looking into that particular activity. Along with that, you need to be get take care about in training that particular team members. But the training related to project, that particular training related to project, not like considering that, not like considering that, taking care about this particular testing, that particular test lead need to be get take care about in giving with the training related to that particular respective project. Along with that, need to be get take care about in handling with the team and taking care about doing with review. The senior tester already he was doing with the review that he can consider first level of the review. This particular test lead which he can consider the second level. So that particular test lead which need to be get considering the taking with second level of the review, he need to be get take care about that particular test scenarios and taking with test cases and considering that particular bug review. Along with that, need to be get take care about in preparation of that particular bill summary report, need to be get take care about in preparing that particular respective preparation of build summary report. What is mean by bill? That you will understand. For now, you can understand that we got in a test lead need to be get take care about in preparing with summary report. Along with that, he has to take care about in conducting different type of meetings with the respective of team member. It can be individual team meeting or group meetings, or it can be related to project, related to appraisal, or related to performance. Different kind of meetings he need to be get taking care about it. Along with that, need to be get take care about mom preparation. Meaning of MOM, What is it? Minutes of meeting. If I'm taking with MOM, which we can consider the minutes of meeting, that means once that particular meeting has been conducted, in that particular meeting, what are the action items, what are the things has been discussed, each and every particular point, each and every particular point need to be get take care about, each and every particular point need to be get take care about in documenting in that particular email. It's need to be get document in that particular email. Once it has been documented, once it has been documented, that particular email need to be get sent to that particular respective all the team who has been attended that meeting and need to take care about test plan preparation. You are not worried about how to prepare all these particular things. This is not your job role. This job role related to test lead. So all these activities are related to the test lead only. But in case if the interviewer has been taking care about, so what are the job role of test lead? You guys need to be get comfortable in explaining. So that is what you need to be get look into that. The one you will be taking with tester and taking with senior tester, and then considering the taking with that particular respective test lead. Along with that, you will take care about the test manager. So need to be get understand the last one, how we can take care about the job role of test manager. Let's understand. Let's take care about these points also. Just write the heading test manager responsibilities. Just write the heading, write with the heading test manager responsibilities. All the online students also, all the online students also, please take care about, please take care about these things. So all the online students also, please write with the heading, mention the test manager responsibilities and make a note of each and every particular statement. Just make a note of all that particular points. All the online students also write with the heading test manager responsibilities and make a note of that particular one. Just make a note of all that particular points. Make a note of each and every particular point. All the online students also take care about, take care about that particular respective points. Just take care about each and every particular point. So need to be get comfortable. So need to be get comfortable, right? So need to be get take care about. You need to be get take care about in comfortable in explaining that particular each and every particular step. Just make a note of all the points. All the online students, just please make a note of each and every point. Done? Online students, is that everyone is done? Okay, right. So let's understand what exactly mean by these particular points and how we can take care about these things here. See that. So if I'm taking with the test manager, what is the first point we got? Project plan and review of test plan. Test plan taking care by test lead. The test lead has been taking care about the test plan. So test lead is responsible in preparing that particular test plan. So that particular test plan has been taken care about, reviewed by the manager. Along with that particular manager need to be get taking care about. That particular manager has been taking care about project plan. Test plan has been totally different. Project plan has been totally different. Not like both are same. Test plan is totally different. Project plan has been totally different. Not like both will be the same. So test plan taking care by test lead, taking care by test lead, that particular project plan, taking care by the test manager. So now manager is the responsible. So manager is the responsible taking care about that project plan. Along with that, because of manager level, because of the manager level, he has to take care about and taking with effort estimations. I mean, as a more experience, like after test lead, he was taking into manager level. As he gotten a more experience, he has to take care about in giving with estimates for the project, like development activity, how much time it will take, testing activities, how much time it will take, all the estimations here, the whole project related, estimates need to be get taken care by that particular respective project manager, or he can consider the test manager. Along with that, he need to be get take care about this particular managing the whole project, because test lead was specifically responsible for testing activity, because it was specifically mentioned that test lead need to be get take care about the activities related to testing only. But if I'm taking with manager, because of that particular manager level, need to be get take care about the whole project, including that particular respective development activities and testing activities need to be get take care about that particular whole project activities need to be done. Along with that, taking care about that particular respective training plan. The test manager need to be get take care about in providing that particular respective training plan. What exactly the training? Mhm. Project training. Project training already taken care by test lead. Test lead has been already taking care about the project training. Then this manager, what kind of training he will do? Mhm. Business training. Uh-huh. So as simple, you are taking the training by Suresh sir. Suresh sir is giving which training? Which training? Software testing. This part is you are doing. And after that, you'll have in a job, your test lead will there. Test lead is taking care about project training. That part of will be done. Then manager, what kind of training he will do? Mhm. Say that. If I'm taking with the manager level, it's not like in a testing training or not like considering the project training. See the terminology, what it is mentioned? No, the first terminology. Training plan. See the terminology. It has been clearly mentioning the training plan here. That means the meaning of that. If I'm taking with that, he was not giving with the training. He need to be get coming up with training plan according to the real-time standards or according to the IT companies. According to the IT companies, once you enter into the company, once you have been enter into that particular IT company, need to be get taking care about in doing some internal trainings need to be done. Once you have been enter into that IT companies, I mean, based on that IT company, based on your job role, is at fresher level or experience level, what exactly your job role, internally some trainings need to be completed. So what are all that particular trainings need to be get completed? What are all that particular trainings need to be get completed? So all that particular information identified by manager. That is what it is clearly mentioned, saying that identify training need based on based on resource or based on resource skill. Is that fresher level, experience level? What kind of skill? Based on that, they need to be get take care about in completing some particular internal trainings need to be done. So that is what need to be get take care about. That is what need to be get considering that the manager need to be get take care about the training plan here. Along with that, he need to be get take care about in preparing monthly report. Like previously, we need to be get mentioned like DSR. What is the DSR? Daily status report. Another one, WSR. WSR is weekly status report. Then you will be taking with MSR. MSR is monthly status report. So I mean, if I'm taking with the manager level, so because of that manager level, need to be get take care about in preparing with the monthly report, the monthly progress for that particular month. What are the total testing activities for that particular month? What are all that particular development activities? So all that particular progress need to be get take care about this particular respective manager. It's not like just taking care about preparing the report. Once he got prepared that particular report, need to be get take care about communicating with client. Need to be get take care about in communicating with the client, considering the client communication. And then along with that, the manager level also need to be get prepared. Mom, consider MOM. Meaning of that MOM? What is it? Minutes of meeting. So that particular manager level also, what exactly the meetings has been done in that particular meeting, what are the points that have been discussed need to be get take care about. What are all that particular respective points has been discussed need to be get take care about in preparing that particular MOM, considering the minutes of meeting, and then taking care about updating the status to core team. That core team is nothing but client only. The terminology core team here, nothing but client only. So that particular client need to be get take care about in giving with regular updates here. Along with that, taking care about and scheduling the meetings with development team and testing team, because as I was into manager level, test lead that is okay. Test lead is a different level. But because of that, manager level need to be get take care about and discussing with development team, and then taking care about the testing team here. So need to be get take care about in handling with the whole project. The conclusion, as a manager level, he need to be get take care about in handling with the whole project, that it will be taken care by the manager. This is what we need to be get mentioned, that considering that taking with test engineer, and then taking with senior tester, and then take care about test lead, and considering that test manager. Related to the test lead, related to manager, you are not mainly worried about on all those things here. Just in case of interviewer is asking the job role of test lead and job role of manager, you need to be get comfortable in explaining that particular activity. Our main target, taking care about tester and considering the senior tester. So we need to be get what comfortable how we can work as a test engineer, and then taking care about test engineer. So let's go with all that particular things in a very detail, how we can work as a test engineer. But before going to that part, in practical, we need to be get understand taking care about the very main concept, the very new concept. Consider that SDLC. What is it? SDLC. So till now, very basics. Just we got taking care about and looking into that, the concept of very basics here, considering that in discussing about why testing has been required. The very first concept, and then we got that particular testing roles and responsibilities. After that, we have to take care about another main concept, right with the new heading. Everyone take care about in writing the new heading. All online students also, all online students also take care about in writing with that particular new heading. Mention that SDLC. Mention that SDLC within a brackets. Meaning of SDLC? Software development life cycle. So within brackets, within a brackets, mention the software development life cycle. Within a brackets, software development life cycle. SDLC, software development life cycle. Okay. Close the bracket and continue the statement. Close the bracket and continue the statement. SDLC, real-time process implementation. SDLC, real-time process implementation. Just continue that heading. SDLC, real-time process implementation. SDLC, real-time process implementation. Okay. Right. Under that, make a note of the steps. Under that, make a note of the steps. Write the first step. Requirements gathering. Write the first step. Requirements gathering. After that, requirement analysis. Requirement analysis. After that, requirements gathering, requirement analysis. After that, design. Taking with design. And then coding. Consider that coding. After that, testing. Testing. After that, live environment or production. Live environment or production. All the online students also, please make a note of those particular steps. Please make a note of that particular steps. Continue the same. Just continue the same. Requirements gathering, requirement analysis, and taking with design. Requirements gathering, requirement analysis, design. Mention that BA or SME or Scrum Master. BA or SME or Scrum Master. BA or SME or Scrum Master. After that, coding activity developer. Coding activity developer. And then testing activity tester. Testing activity tester. After that, live environment or production. Mention that admin role. Mention that admin role. Make a note of all the things. All the online students. All the online students also. Please take care about the things. Please take care about it. Make a note of all these things. One is BA, another one developer, another one tester, and then admin role. Okay. Right. So this is what we need to understand, that these are in simple SDLC steps. Like whenever we are taking with SDLC, these are the very simple steps here. But according to real-time perspective, according to the real-time perspective, how we can take care about, how we can take care about all these particular respective steps according to the real-time perspective, how we can take care about in doing all the things here. Let's understand. Related to this, make a note of some questions. Related to this, just under that, make a note of some questions. Write the first question. Write the first question. Explain SDLC. Explain SDLC. Explain SDLC. Oh. Take the next question. Take the next question. Explain SDLC process. Explain SDLC process. Explain SDLC process. Take the next question. Write the next question. Explain real-time project. Explain real-time project development process. Explain real-time project development process. Real-time project development process. Okay. What is the first question? Explain SDLC. Second question. Explain SDLC process. Third question. Explain real-time project development process. How many questions? 3 or 2? How many questions? 3 questions. How many answers? How many answers? 1 answer. So 3 questions we got, which you will be taking with the 1 answer. So what exactly that answer? Whenever interviewer has been asking about these 3 questions, when interviewer has been asking these 3 questions, maximum 95% of the time, 95% of the time, all the people just they'll take care about giving the full form of SDLC. They will write these steps and they will mention what are all these steps in simple. Just within 1 minute or less than a minute, you will be completing the answer for that particular 3 questions here. If interviewer has been asking that particular 3 questions, maximum of the time, most of the students just they'll complete the answer within a minute or less than a minute by giving the full form and by giving the step. The answer is correct. It's not like that answer is not correct, but the way of explanation, which is not like you are just completing in 1 minute or less than a minute. You have to take care about, you need to take care about in giving with the explanation, you need to take care about in giving that explanation with the respective of real time. Like according to the real time industry or according to the real time process, how exactly all these particular steps has been done. So let's take care about in understanding. Let's take care about in understanding in a very detailed of all these particular process. Let's understand this particular whole process. I mean, we are going to understand from the very basic, like how IT companies came into the picture, use of the IT companies, what are the steps they are following, and finally, how they are releasing the software into the market. The whole process we need to be get comfortable. So let's understand in a very detailed of all these particular things here. Let's take care about it. Say that. Our simple understanding, the regular understanding, let's take care about this current market. In this particular current market, just an example, just an example, assume that all you guys has been decided to get start one business. Just an example. You guys has been thinking about to get start the business. Now, my simple question. Right. See that. So if I'm taking with this particular thing, now assume that like you got any there's many members as you guys has been decided like to go with the business part to start the business. Now my simple doubt is in case if you guys want to start the business, is it all you guys will go with the same business? Yes or no? Is it as these many people are there? Is it all you guys will go with the same business? Yes or no? Why no? Uh-huh. Why no? Why not I can go with everyone's same business? Uh-huh. As simple as guys. Uh, all people you are having brains. Yeah. Brains are there or not, guys? Yes sir, no. Or that is also doubt is there, sir, whether brain is there or not. Yes, sir. Uh, as everyone is having the brain, but the way of thinking is that same? Is that the way of thinking is same? No. The way of thinking is not same. Online students, I'm not getting any response. Looks like you guys are searching for brain is there or not. All the online students, even the guys are attending in online, I required with the response. I required with the response from each and every online student, not like just attending the session in online. At least respond yes or no. Is that everyone available or not? All the online students, everyone available or went for any snacks? Don't go for snacks or anything. Always need to be available in online. Still, I'm getting very less response. Could you please respond all online students? All the online students, please respond. Is that everyone available or not? Okay, done. See that as all the people has been there, it's not like everyone will be thinking about the same kind of the business here, right? I mean, as it's totally depends on the person way of thinking, the person experience, the person budget, lot of things will be considered. It's not like in simple need to be get start the business means immediately will start the business. You have to take care about the multiple things, and after that you will be thinking about to get start with the business here. As an example, some people may think about banking sector. Some people may think about related to that insurance, and then some people may think about related to healthcare, And some people may think about e-commerce. Lot of things are there. In a market, in this particular industry, a number of businesses are available. It's everything. It's totally depends on that particular person's availability, way of thinking, interest, budget. Lot of things will be considered, and after that, it will be decided what exactly that business need to be get started. So here a simple understanding is, if I'm taking with this particular market, a number of business available, but not like all the people has been taking care about the same business. Okay. Now, the concept, what I want to try to explain, you guys has been very well knowing about banking sector. Knowing or not? Maintaining the bank accounts also. One account, two accounts, four accounts. A lot of bank balance is there. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. As you are maintaining that bank accounts, multiple bank accounts, whatever it can be. As you guys are very well knowing about the banking industry, you guys using net banking, internet banking. After that, your favorite, phone pay, Google Pay, Paytm, a lot of things you are using. After that, Amazon Pay, oh, go great. WhatsApp Pay also, but very perfect. Lot of bank balance is there. After that, Amazon Pay. Uh-huh. Okay. Nowadays, lot of pays are there. You can use any of the pay, whatever it can be. Now, my simple understanding, if I'm taking net banking, your phone pay, Paytm, whatever it can be, all these particular things has been available in the market of before 20 years or 25 years. Assume that 25 years. Before 25 years, do we have internet banking, phone pay, Paytm, Google Pay? No, any of these things are not available. At that particular time, in case if we want to transfer the amount, what need to be done? We need to visit the bank. Yes or no, guys? You will be visiting the bank. After that, you will write one slip. Yes or no? You need to visit the bank. You have to write one slip, and then you have to stand in the queue. And after that, you are depositing. Lot of process is there. So all these things can we consider as a manual activity, manual process? Yes or no, guys? We have to visit the bank, we have to write the slip, we have to stand in the queue, and then we have to deposit the amount. Lot of things are there. Everything manual process. Yes or no? Otherwise, best example, your pandemic situation. Before pandemic, is that you guys are able to attend online training? Online training. Yes or no? No. Online training, no option. Mandatory that you have to come for offline training. It is mandatory that you need to come to the Amirpet, you have to search for hostel, and then after that search for institute. Lot of things you are doing. All these manual. Yes sir, no guys. Otherwise, another best example, you guys are very well knowing your favorite websites. Google. Your favorite website. There's Flipkart, Amazon, shopping, doing a daily shopping or one day shopping or weekly shopping. No shopping. Uh-huh. Okay. So that particular one, now you got an option of taking that particular this Flipkart and taking Amazon, Mitra, Mitra, a lot of things are there here, right? Now, previously, all these are manual. Yes or no? That means the conclusion, what I want to explain is in the initial stages, everything, it will go with manual, whatever it can be. In the initial stages, everything it will be started with manual process. Banking, manual process. Education, manual process. That shopping, manual process. Everything it has been taking care about manual. Any kind of the business, in the initial stages, it will take care about the manual process only. Once it is started, certain things completed, certain time has been completed, the business going in a smooth way, then the people will think about to get automate that manual process. First, everything will be manual. Once all the things has been started, everything has been going in a smooth way, then they will be thinking about step by step to get automate that particular manual process. So now automating manual process. Automating the manual process means what you will use? What is it? Software. So automating the manual process is nothing but required software. Best example, net banking. One software. Yeah. Net banking is software or not? Then your face is Abba Sir is asking IAS question. Net banking, one software. Phone Pay, software. Google Pay, software. Paytm, software. All these are the softwares only. And even your training program. Now you are taking the option of Zoom. That Zoom is one software. Software or hardware? Yes, sir. Software or hardware? Software. Okay. So that means any manual process you want to automate, you're taking the help of software. So that is how your software concept has been came into the picture, came into the industry. I mean, initially everything like manual, any manual process you want to be get automate, you need to be get take care about in utilizing that particular software. So that is how the IT companies has been introduced. You can see the IT growth before pandemic. The IT growth is like normal, but once that this pandemic situation came into the picture, slowly the IT market has been hugely increased because of everything started automating it. To automate anything, you required in a software. So because of that, that IT companies has been increased here. So this is how the software industry or IT industry has been came into the picture. Okay. So now our understanding any manual process, if you want to be get automate, taking with the help of software. Okay. Up to that, perfectly okay. Now assume that all you guys has been in general, you will be having some targets will be there. Having? What are the targets? Uh-huh. Getting the job is first target, sir. No, huh? Yes, sir. No, sir. Okay. Getting the job is the first target. Okay. The target anyway, it will be done. No worries about it all. After that? Uh-huh. After getting the job, what is the next target? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. First, we'll open all the websites, sir, and then make the proposal, sir. Uh-huh. Uh, yes, sir. Uh-huh. Second target. Your first target will be taking with the job, that IT job. And then maximum of second target, most of the people will think about high salaries, all those things. Along with that, you guys will have a target of to purchase the four-wheeler. No. Purchase the four-wheeler or not? Four-wheeler or three-wheeler? Or six-wheeler? Six-wheeler is best, sir. How many wheels? Three or four or six? Online students, I'm not getting any response. Online students need to be involved in my sessions. I require with the response from online. Is it three or four or six? Or plan for 12 also? Eight, huh? Okay. Now, the plan, the target for how many wheels? Four wheels, but very perfect. So that, assume that you got in a target of four-wheeler. In simple, in general, if you want to purchase a four-wheeler, where you can purchase a four-wheeler? Online, offline, you need to visit car showroom. Okay. So you need to visit that particular car showroom and then you want to purchase that particular four-wheeler. Perfectly okay. In the similar way, assume that you want to purchase the mobile. Mobile. Where you will purchase? Online, offline. Okay. Both the options are there. Either you can go to that online or you can visit that particular mobile store and you can purchase it. Okay. See the understanding. To purchase mobile, you're visiting the mobile store. To purchase four-wheeler, you're visiting that four-wheeler showroom, nothing but car showroom. In the same way, your requirement, you want to purchase software. Where you will purchase? Software showroom. Then where you will purchase? IT companies. If you want to purchase the software, you need to visit that IT companies or which will be considering the software companies. So see the understanding. See the understanding how exactly IT has been came into the picture. IT industries has been started here. So according to your business requirement, if you want to get purchase any kind of the software, you need to get visit that particular IT companies or software companies. Okay. Now assume that you started visiting one of the IT company. Once you visit any IT company for the software, what is the first question you can expect from the IT companies? You went to the IT company for the inquiry. Now that IT company people, what is the first question they will be asking? What is it? Requirements. They will be asking that, okay, boss, well, go with the software. First, explain your requirements. They will be asking that. The IT company people, they will be asking that, explain your requirements. What kind of software you are expecting? What kind of business? What are the manual process to be automated? All the things here. So in simple, they will be asking about to explain requirement. Then you will start explaining all your requirements and everything. Perfectly okay. Completed. But in general, as a human beings, is that just will visit only one IT company and will confirm the project? No, we have a very good habit. What is that good habit? Bargaining. Apart from that, apart from that, is that he will visit only one IT company and he'll confirm? What he will do? He'll go one more IT company, right? So it's not like just will visit only one IT company and he will purchase. He'll visit second company, second IT company. Again, there also. What is the first question he will expect? What is the first question he'll expect? Requirements. Again, what you have to do? You need to explain. Okay, done. 2 companies done. Then you visit third company. Again, what they will ask? What they will ask? A requirement. Again, what you have to do? Explain the same requirement, different requirement. Same or different? Same requirement. Same requirement you explain for 3 companies here. You visit fourth company. Again, you need to explain same requirement. Now, my question is, rather than you are explaining your requirements for each and every company, any other alternative option we can follow? Rather than explaining the requirement, you are visiting, okay, and you are explaining. Now, my question is, rather than you are explaining, any other alternative option we can follow? What is it? Document it, right? So rather than you are explaining in simple, what are all your requirements are there in one Word file or Excel file or text file. Can we do document it? Yes or no, guys? You require the software, you know what is your requirement, you can document it in one proper format. So that particular document, all the IT companies we can visit, we can give the document rather than we are explaining. We can do or not? Yes or no? Otherwise, rather than still visiting also, as you are already documented, as your Word file is ready, the document is ready, that document can be sent in the WhatsApp. My favorite option. You can send in the WhatsApp to that company number. Otherwise, you can email to them. That means whenever you are visiting the IT companies, you have to take care about explain the requirement. Rather than explaining the requirement, you are taking care about documenting. So the documenting, that is one what document? General terminology. IT terminology, technical terminology. The what document, what you are preparing, related to your requirement, the IT terminology, technical terminology. The first one, mention that RFP. So RFP, considering that request for proposal. What is it? A request for proposal or requirement for proposal, request for proposal or requirements for proposal. That is one document what you provided all the requirements, giving the proposal. You are saying to the IT company, so IT company, this is what my requirements, this is what my proposal. I am expecting the software need to be ready according to that particular requirements. So according to that IT company, the very first document, what is the first document? First document, RFP. Meaning of RFP? Request for proposal or requirements for proposal. Now assume that this RFP document you submitted to the IT company. You done email, WhatsApp, or you given the hard copy. You submitted. That part is done. Now that IT companies, what they have to do? Immediately they'll start developing the software. Huh? Open the Java, sir. Bava is there, sir. We'll write the code, sir. He'll open the Java and they'll write the code. Then what they have to do? They have to take care about analyze. Before analyzing, they need to be take care about feasibility study. What is it? Feasibility. Feasibility. General meaning? Feasibility. Sometimes we will use. We have any feasibility or is there any feasibility? Possibility. What is it? Possibility. What are the possibilities are there to develop that software? You given the RFP document. all the requirements are there, all your manual process provided. Now that IT company, they have to cross check that, is that really we can automate the whole manual process? Is that really we can develop the whole software, or only 80% or only 50%? So what are the things we can automate? That feasibility study need to be done. Always there is no chances of 100% of automation. 100% of automation will never possible. As a best example, in this current market also, if we look into the banking sector, most of the things already automated, but still related to banking, all the activities we can do from home only. Is it 100% all the activities we can do from home? No, even though most of the things already automated, softwares are there, still there is a need of, we need to visit the banks here. That means 100% of automation will never possible. Because of that, that IT people, that IT companies, they have to take care about what are the possibilities are there, how much process we can automate, they need to decide it. Once they complete feasibility, they'll come up the list. Yes, these are the possibilities. 80% of possibility, 90% of possibility. First, they'll come up with the possibility. Based on that, as they decided, as they confirm that possibilities there, that possibilities are there, then based on that possibility, based on that possibility, they need to take care about, they need to take care about analyzing, requirement analyzing, because they decided these are the possibilities. Based on that, they have to come up with in analyzing that particular requirements. So these two activities, feasibility study and requirement analysis, these two activities taking care by, not like fresher, just an experience, not like those people. All these activities taking care by BA or SME or consider that Scrum Master. So that BA or SME or Scrum Master taking care about these activities, because these people are from higher level, having the more experience related to that business, related to the industry. They will be having the more experience. For them, for them, it will be more easy and more comfortable in analyzing the requirement, because that is what most important. If they decided, yes, we can automate, at any cost need to automate it. It's not like first we say that we can do, after that not possible. Because of that, all these activities will be taken care by higher level only. So this is how your IT industry came into the picture and taking care about getting started with IT process. So like this, lot of steps are there. Lot of steps are there. Each and every step we need to be get understand, that will take care about. So in this way, in the interviews, if interviewer is asking about SDLC, you guys not like giving the step, not required to explain all these things from here. From the RFP, you need to start explaining to the interviews related to the process of SDLC. So still lot of points are there that I'll be discussing, that I'll take time. So all those things we'll discuss on Tuesday. Tomorrow, Sunday, biryani holiday. Monday, Christmas holiday. Tuesday, class is there, no holiday. So Tuesday class will be there. All the online students also, all the online students also. The next session on Tuesday, So take care about that according to that. So on Tuesday, we'll try to complete this particular process. And after that, we'll go with SDLC models. And then we'll be getting started with our project testing here. So take care about all these particular things. Whatever the points we are discussing, please take care about each and every particular one. So for now, you can go with the same link. All online students, you can go with the same link only. So for Tuesday. For Tuesday also you can go with the same link. By Wednesday, you will be getting with the new link here. So you can go with the same link. All the online students, you can go with the same link only. So take care about all the things. All these things you have to take care for real time and for interview. You need to aware of all these things here. So please take care about all the things here and be back on Tuesday. Don't forget about that getting the 2 days of holidays. You need to be back on Tuesday. Take care about the things. Okay? Look into that. Carry on. Thank you. Online students having the questions, you guys can wait. అంటే ఇక్కడ ల్యాబ్ లో సిస్టమ్స్ ఉంటాయి కానీ అవి ఎప్పుడు అవైలబిలిటీ చూసుకొని దాన్ని బట్టి విండోస్ 7 అంటే మాన్యువల్ వరకు ఓకే కానీ ఆటోమేషన్ రాదు. ఆటోమేషన్ కొద్దిగా కష్టం అవ్వదు. ల్యాబ్ లో సిస్టమ్స్ ఉంటాయి బట్ ఒకసారి అవైలబిలిటీ చూసుకోండి, దాన్ని బట్టి ప్లాన్ చేసుకోండి. బట్ బెటర్ సీ దట్ ఎనీ ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ ఆప్షన్స్. ల్యాప్టాప్ ఉంటేనే బెటర్, ఎందుకంటే ఆటోమేషన్ చాలా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. ఎస్ గైస్. Online students, the one having with you the questions, you guys can raise your hands. I can take care about giving the unmute option. All the online students having with you the questions, you guys can raise your hands. Right. Yes, guys. You guys can carry on your questions.
Good evening, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what is the
Carry on.
full form of BA, SME, and Serum Master?
That BA business analyst. BA
Okay.
means business analyst.
Okay.
SME subject matter expert. Subject matter expert.
Okay.
Another one, Scrum Master.
What is the role of this Scrum
Oh,
Master?
you will understand. No, that will take time. Everything I will explain. Okay.
Okay. Can you repeat
Yeah.
once again SME?
Subject matter expert.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yes.
Sir, like in HDLC, I am little bit confused about real time project process.
Real time process. Real time
Real-time
process
process.
implementation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So what is mean by real time process implementation?
No, as simple. Now you're working, assume that you got in a job. In the job, once you got in a job, you have to work in the real time. You will be working in the job.
Yeah.
Once you got in a testing job, you have to do the testing job, right?
Right.
So that means once you got in a job, whatever the testing job you are doing, that is what the people will call as a real time. It's not like a learning. That means you are working in the IT. That is really you are working in the IT, real time experience. So now my intention of this training program is so real time employees, how they are working and how they are doing their job, the same environment, the same knowledge I need to provide. So that kind of information I will be giving. So that is the reason the heading has been mentioned like real-time project or real-time process implementation. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Right. Yes, guys. Right. No more other questions, right? Okay. So please take care about the things. Please take care about the things that, yeah. Thank you, guys. Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
what is fee and study, sir?
Feasibility study. Feasibility study means what are the possibilities? The meaning of feasibility is possibility. What are the possibilities are there to develop that software? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right.
Yeah, sir. So, for the
Yes.
here software test engineer responsibility. So there is one point. Sometime they involve in test plan, not for the preparation of the test plan. For the some input. So which type of input they are giving?
I mean, how much time now? What exactly the testing progress? How much time they can may take to complete? How many testers are there in the project? So that kind of inputs they will be providing it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, hi sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Test
Carry on.
plan preparation and task preparation both are same, sir.
No, I mean, as part of the test lead, he has to come up the plan. In that plan,
Okay.
he has to take care about in assigning the task also. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, guys. Take care about the things then. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.